Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we are going to be showing you how to make homemade peanut butter treats for your dog. Cue the music. Alright, welcome back. If this is your first time joining us, so please do me a favor. Go down to the corner, hit that little button there that says subscribe, and then hit the notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload new content. Alright, like I said, we are going to be making dog treats today. This is kind of cool. I have been wanting to do this one for a while here, and now I finally got the chance. So let's head into our kitchen and see what our ingredients are. We got 2/3 of a cup of pumpkin puree, a 1/4 cup of peanut butter, 2 large eggs, and 3 cups of whole wheat flour. Let's head over to our prep table and start mixing this up. All right, we've got our bowl big enough for all the ingredients that we're going to have and the ability to stir without making a mess. So first thing we want to do is take our wet ingredients. I've got the pumpkin puree right here, the peanut butter, and our egg. One thing I do want to mention about the peanut butter too, try to use a peanut butter that your family eats. If it's got low sugar or it says low fat, it's usually got xylitol in it, which is a sweetener, and that is not good for dogs. This is Skippy, creamy, and this is what I'm using for our lovely dog Callie. But check the ingredients. If it's got xylitol in it, it is not recommended that you give it to your pet, even if it is cooked. So basically you just want to take your wet ingredients and blend them really well. And then little by little you want to add the flour. I'm going to go about a cup at a time. I hate baking because it moves a mess. Like a cake batter. Some of this flour you can use, right on your counter, because that's going to help you roll it out. And you just want to blend this into a nice dough. And I'm going to switch out, put some gloves on, mix it up a little bit. I like to knead the dough with my hands. Alright, you get yourself a nice little dough ball like that. And I already spilled some flour, so we're just going to dust our workspace with some flour here. Put the dough in there. And you can use a rolling pin if you want to. It doesn't really matter, as long as you've got your dough about 1/4 of an inch thick. There we go. Let me get my cutouts and we'll start making our biscuits. Alright, we have got cutouts that I got from Amazon. I've got the dog. That's a paw print right there. It's the dog house. And then of course the dog bone right there. These, I'm going to put the link in my Amazon storefront, and that is down in the groovy links down below this with the recipe. So I'm just going to get these off of here for one thing, because that's where we're going to put the dog bones. And we're just going to use this cutout and cut out the bones and put them on our tray. Basically just want to keep getting your dough and rolling it until you run out of dough. So I'm going to finish these up. But this is what you're gonna end up with. You're gonna end up with all the different shapes. Or you can roll them out into just kind of like drop biscuits, whatever you'd want to do. I just think it's kind of cool that they made little dog bone cutouts. So this is what we're using in here. I'm gonna throw these in the oven through 350 degrees for about 20 minutes. This is Callie. She's gonna be our taste tester today. Oh, little camera shy. Now she'll be back in when these are ready. All right, you can see I've got the dog bone, the dog house, a little puppy, and it's supposed to be a paw, I guess. But pretty cool. I'm gonna give her a try now. Come here, Callie. Here. This is Callie, everybody. Here. I'll just throw it on the ground there. And let's see what her reaction is. Oh, she likes it. And she's gonna go take it into the living room, of course. All right, well, I guess that's a pretty good review. She ran downstairs with it to my office. It's where her dog dish is. So, but these, look, they smell like pumpkin. I can't smell any peanut butter in there, but get a close-up of that. It's chewy on the inside, still kind of soft. But you may want to make sure that you cool them off like we did here. I got them up on a cookie rack here, cooling off, but you don't want to give them to them hot. So, cheap, simple to make. And you just let them cool properly. Put them into a little Tupperware container with a tight lid, and you got a little treat for your dog every time you want to give them some. And that way you're not buying them at the store. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you next time right here on It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Bye-bye. Want another one, Callie?